Hi, my name is Emily and thank you so much for clicking this channel. If you're new here, I love everything that's makeup, beauty, and skincare related, and this is the look that I wanted to create today, which I think is a very glittery and fall makeup look that I think is really fun and creative to wear out. And I'm actually collabing in this video with my cousin Amy from TheSelfLoveMama, and we've done a few collaborations in the past, and I always love collaborating with her. She's always really fun, happy, and positive, and she has an amazing channel that she's worked on for over 4 years. And so if you guys haven't checked out her channel, I made sure to link it in the description bar down below, so please go over, subscribe to her, show her love. And I also made sure to link her merch also in the description bar down below, because she does have a merch line, and I think it's just so amazing that she's doing that and chasing her dreams. So please go support her, check her out. And if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and I really hope you enjoy my tutorial. I would love if you hit that big red button to subscribe and join my family if you haven't joined already. And without further ado, let's jump into the look. I'm first going to use the Morphe Eyelid Primer as a base for all my shadows. Since I do plan on using glitter with this look, I'm going to take the original shadow shields and put those under my eyes just so all the shadow and glitter that I use fall onto that instead of my skin. For this look, I am going to be using multiple palettes and products, but I'm first going to be going into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and using Virgin just in the crease to set that. I want to make sure not to get that on the lid because I really want to keep that tacky for the glitter base that we put down later. So for my first color, I'm going to take Wow, which is this really pretty vibrant yellow. I'm going to put that right on the very inner part of my crease and start blending that out. One thing you could do if you want to make your colors pop more is put on a white base or just a base that's a couple shades lighter than your skin tone, just to make the colors pop and look a little bit more vibrant. Then taking a slightly fluffier brush, I'm going to be going into the Morphe and James Charles palette and picking up the 518 shadow, which is this really pretty bright orange color, and putting that right next to the yellow that we just blended down. I'm then going to take the brush that we used for the yellow and blend the edges just to make sure that everything is smooth. I'm then going to take the fluffy brush and kind of wipe off the extra pigment on the back of my hand, and then just start blending these edges upward just to make sure that everything is smooth and blended out. Then taking a bigger fluffy brush and taking some of You're Kidding, which is this bright red color, I'm going to put that right next to the orange that we just put down and blend it out. Then taking a flatter brush and going back into the Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to be picking up Tasty, which is this nice chocolate brown color, and putting that in the very outer corner of my eyelid. So at this point of the look, you just want to go back in just to make sure that everything is blended out into the vibrancy that you want. And so if you want, you can go back in and pack on some more shadows if you kind of feel like they got blended away, and just to make sure that all the edges are really smooth and seamless before we move on to the next step. So for my lid, I'm first going to go into the Jouer Skinny Dip palette. I'm going to pick up the Skinny Dip shadow and put that all over my lid where there's no shadow yet, just as a base for the glitter. So if you want to leave the eyes just like this, I think that this would be a really pretty look, but if you want to add a little bit more glitter like I do, I'm first going to be taking the NYX Pigment Primer and putting that right on the shadow that I just placed down, and then I'm going to be picking up the Eye Candy Cosmetics Glitter and Candy Coin and putting that right on top. I'm going to go ahead and peel these off just so we can reveal the skin below. And I have no glitter underneath, so this is definitely something that's really good to get. As you can see, there's some shadow on the outside that I got, and there's definitely glitter on it as well, so that definitely helps. So I'm just going to make sure to blend and clean up this edge. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to finish up the rest of the eyes. Okay, so I'm back from doing my makeup, and my base is pretty normal to what I do every time I do makeup, except I did add some fake freckles because I thought it'd be cute with the look. But to start off with our under eyes, I'm first going to be taking some of Tasty and just connecting that to the brown that we have on the upper lid. I'm then going to pick up some of You're Kidding and blend out the outer edge. I'm then going to take a separate fluffy brush and pick up some of 518 and put that on the very bottom of the rest of my lower lash line. Then taking a loose fluffy brush, I'm going to go back into Wow and then blend out all the edges of the lower lash line. For my inner corner brow bone, I'm going to be mixing both Pearl and Champagne Pop highlighters from Becca Cosmetics, and that's the same highlighter mix that I put on my face, and so everything can tie together. Then for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for my top lashes, and then for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara. Then for my lips, I'm going to be going into the Bite Beauty Mousse Bouche Lipstick in Date. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I personally think this is one of my favorite looks I've ever created, so I really hope that you enjoyed this look as well. So if you liked this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to go over to Amy's channel at TheSelfLoveMama. It's linked in the description bar down below, and also check out her merch and make sure to subscribe to her and give her all that love. And if you haven't subscribed to me, make sure to hit that big red button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.